So if I now open the model folder, find my IFC, double click on that, I've already got it associated with Trimble Connect. So that will open Trimble Connect and we can review the IFC for this model. And you can see we've got everything that we've got in the model in here. Okay, so you can share this with your design team. We can visualize this in two ways. So we can either visualize it within Trimble Connect, or we can do this from the Tekla Structures interface. And what you can see here is a high quality rendering of your model, which will allow you to sort of share these images with your client or your installers or whoever might be interested in seeing that. Okay. So we'll go back down to here. Okay. That's it for the structural steel demonstration aspect of this. I will put some cladding on very quickly now just to show you how that works. So using the floor layout tool, which sounds odd, but do bear with me. If I double click on that floor layout component, I'll show you what I've done. So this is basically an array tool, and you can use it to array lots of different objects. But I've created one for Optimo 600 cladding, which is a profile that we've got in the library, and I've set this up to suit that profile. Okay, one thing I do need to do is set my work plane to the top of the purlins. So I'll set that actually to the top of the rafter. There we go. So we can apply that now, and we can draw the cladding in. Okay, so let's close that. Let's go back to here. Okay, so layout tool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the corners now. So pick that corner, and the second point will dictate the direction of span for the sheets. So I'm going to go up the slope, pick that corner of the purlin, and then I'm going to go across, and I'm going to pick this corner, and finally the bottom corner of this here. Middle button to finish, and you can see we've clad the entire roof. Now that is sitting flush with the tops of the purlins, which is clearly a mistake. So if I open the component for that, we can set the position to be above the setting out point, like so. There we go. Okay, so then we've got a line of cladding. So we can use that now to do all of the cladding on all of the elevations. So if I change my work plane to face the column, we can do the elevation. And then I'll show you a couple of neat tricks before I wrap up. So again, we want vertical sheets. Then we pick the final two corners to define the area, like so. And then down at the bottom of that rail, middle button to finish, and then we've got our elevation. Okay, so what about openings? Let's have a look at that. So I can select that elevation, I can create views on it using that command. So I've got a elevational view. It's actually from the wrong side, from the inside, so I'll use this command instead, like so. And if I select that elevation, go to my mini toolbar, I can use this command to put windows or doors in the system. Okay, you'll notice that it is trimming the sheets back to the full width of the sheets, so you will need to infill that with whatever you're going to infill it with, whether it's a cut sheet or a flashing or whatever. You do need to infill those, but you know, broadly speaking, you can very quickly run down an elevation and put all of the penetrations in. Okay. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name's Chris Gatehouse. If you've got any questions on it, give me a give me a call or drop me an email. My email address is chris.gatehouse@trimble.com, and I will do my best to answer those questions. Thank you.